the Vegan Finds, where we're going to take some of this and other stuff and turn it into this Asian-inspired Bok Choy tacos.
Some of this.
So welcome back to the channel. Okay, so some of this. So there's a lot of stuff you can't see. I just wanted to feature some of the stuff that you can see. So for this recipe, you are going to need ground beef. You know what I mean. Bok choy. Three-fourths of a cup of chopped pepper. 3/4 of a cup of when I say I mean like really diced peppers. And you are going to need 1 tablespoon. Oh, you can't see that. 1 tablespoon of
Black bean.
fermented black beans. Fermented black bean paste. That's what it's called. Some bamboo shoots.
And water.
And if I can find the thing, water chestnuts. Okay? So you just want to have these as well. You're going to drain those and chop those as well too. So what we are making today is a Asian-inspired bok choy taco. Now, I had a discussion with a friend earlier who was like, well, if it's not in a flour tortilla or a corn tortilla, it's not a taco. And I said, well, traditionally, none of the stuff that I'm putting in this would be in a taco. But we're making healthy food because this is part of Get Healthy January and Veganuary. I hate to name that. Every month should be vegan. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to turn on our thingy. All right. So in my Ming pot, I actually don't need to use oil. I know Stuart does occasionally, but the Ming pots, you don't have to use oil. That's why I bought them, because you didn't have to use oil in these pots. So I am going to add first our chopped onion and our pepper. And you just want to saute this till they're cooked. Like tender cooked. You people know what I mean. Okay, so as part of our tacos, we're also going to be making Kimchi Salsa. So Stuart is chopping up some tomatoes.
Oh, yeah?
You are. Some red onion. Also, we're going to use some of that leftover nacho cheese that we made yesterday. And we're going to add Siracha sauce to it to make a very spicy nacho cheese to go on top of our tacos. So what I'm actually doing is I'm just sauteing it till it's cooked. Alright. Into that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of bamboo shoots chopped and 1/2 cup of water chestnuts chopped. And you're like, I don't understand what's going on. So this is actually going to be in our chop meat, so that it gives the chop meat a little bit of different texture and a little bit more flavor, because we want to eat as many vegetables and as many things on the color wheel as we possibly can. Now, you don't have to buy the beefless ground soy things that I got from Trader Joe's. I mean, I use them because they're $2.99, and honest to God, you know, you can't beat that. But if you're trying to use only like natural stuff, you can do this with tofu. You can do this with soaked TVP. Now, you guys have seen us soak some TVP previously on the show. And just soak it and use the TVP, if that's what you want. I'm lazy. I want to use the Trader Joe's. We are going to get that in our pot. All right. We're going to brown that. And then we are going to add our seasoning. And our seasoning for this dish is going to be the fermented black bean. It'll give it that nice tangy taste.
Plus it's adding nice fermented foods to your diet.
Oh yeah. Well, we're also adding the
Kimchi.
kimchi, which is a great fermented food for your digestive system. You want to eat as many of those fermented foods as you possibly can, because they're really good for you. Okay, so now we're going to add in our black bean paste. We may need more than a tablespoon. I'm looking at it. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm needing more than a tablespoon. Okay. I'm going to go get some more black bean. Oh, but it smells so good. It needs a little bit more black bean.
Where's the black bean?
On the refrigerator door. So this is a great meal prep recipe because it's going to make a lot, and you can just serve it over lettuce, some with that cauliflower rice, maybe some broccoli rice, you know, mix things up. Oh, that looks so good. All right, our meat is just about done. So now I'm going to show you how to make the kimchi salsa. Sorry. Lulu started barking, and then I started thinking, and then it was just like a whole train there that just didn't come back. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so we have some colorful chopped tomatoes. We are going to chop up some kimchi and some water chestnut and
Bamboo shoots.
bamboo shoots. Damn it, I am like having like a week. I seem to like. Well, okay, so we are going to chop some kimchi. Now, when I was recovering, I was making kimchi salad, kimchi sandwiches, and just eating kimchi sandwiches to help with my stomach. Because after the surgery, you know, I wanted to make sure that I was getting enough probiotic in my diet. So we're going to take, I'm going to say it's a half a cup of the kimchi. And now we're going to chop up the water chestnuts and the bamboo shoots. Okay, so into our bowl goes our chopped water chestnuts and our bamboo shoots. I used 5 each of them. And then we're going to chop up half a pepper. I mean, half a jalapeno pepper. And we're going to add that for some additional heat. When I make my own kimchi, it's much spicier. When I buy it in the store, it's just not as spicy. Okay, so now we're going to give this a good stir. Okay, so here we go. Oh, that looks really good. It's going to taste really excellent on our tacos. All right. Now, you've seen me make the nacho cheese before, so what I'm just going to do I am going to take our nacho cheese from yesterday, and I am going to squirt. Now, this is a matter of preference. Some sriracha in there. All right? And we are going to give that a good blend and heat this up. So I have our bok choy here, and I cut off the white ends, so it's more like a lettuce leaf cup, like a bok choy cup. And now we're going to arrange these so you can see how delicious these are going to look. So I scooped out our bok choy. I'm going to just place that kimchi salsa on top of this. Oh, yeah. This is going to be one of those really nice, fresh tasting dishes. And our cheese is ready. So we're going to sprinkle our cheese in it, and I'll show you the final product. And there you have it, our finished product. I mean, honest to God, this recipe from start to finish, other than the chopping, was probably like 15 minutes. And honest to God, if you're going to do meal prep for the week, this would be a great meal prep. Just get that bok choy and clean it up the night that you're going to eat it. Or serve it over lettuce. Or serve it on top of a salad. Or like I've said, the cauliflower rice would be an amazing option as well. Or white rice for added protein. So if you like these kind of recipes, hit the subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok at Vegan Finds. And we will see you next time.